To the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, today I'm going to make you a nice lovely Jamaican jerk chicken wrap. Well, the jerk chicken wrap is a little bit different from every kind of wrap I normally make. This one, I know you guys are going to love the recipe. If you like the recipe, please leave your comments. It's very important for me, guys. And thank you very much for who do put their comments on the other rest of the video them. And I want to say a big thank you very much. Visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and sign up for free. And remember, if you want me to make something for you, you're always free to write it in the description box, and I will definitely make it for you. So it might take a little time, but Chef Ricardo will definitely make it for you. Hopefully you just enjoy the recipe as I make you Jamaican jerk chicken wrap, guys. So to make the Jamaican jerk chicken wrap, first of all you need chicken breasts like these. I just wash off my chicken breast, clean it up, looking lovely and nice. And first of all, before we go any further, let's deal with the chicken breast. We're going to marinate the chicken breast. But I want to simply say to you guys, you don't need to marinate the chicken breast this same day. You can do it from the day before. I'm going to use a simple little teaspoon like this one right here, and I'm going to put on a teaspoon of jerk sauce. If you see, one. So I put on the jerk seasoning. This is the jerk seasoning. You can get the jerk seasoning at local shop. Right here I put on 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. What I want to simply say to you guys, you can use the seasoning you normally use at your house every day to marinate your chicken. You can do the same thing. All the different you need to do is just add the jerk seasoning. I'm going to add some olive oil on it just like this. Little bit of cracked pepper. You don't need any salt. Lovely. If you use a hand, please wash your hand very carefully after. I like to use my hand when I'm marinating my meat because I know what I'm doing. So if you use a hand, you need to wash your hand very carefully, guys, after. So I'm gonna just marinate it up, the chicken breast like this, and I'm using 3 pieces of chicken breast. That's the best part of the meat to make your jerk chicken wrap. But as you can see, looking lovely. Preheat your oven first. Right now I'm preheating my oven and I have it at just mark 7. If you're using a different oven, 165 is really good. Lovely. Nice. Oven tray. Lay it in the oven tray just like this. Really nice and simple. Next one. And then this is the next one. Lovely. Put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. If not, give it another 5 more minutes. Lovely. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. But as you can see, the 3 nice lovely piece of chicken breast, these are ready. And now I have them in the oven over roughly 30 minutes. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. So now we're gonna make it a lovely jerk chicken wrap, and I'm gonna show you how to make this one. This is just really fantastic, really nice, beautiful. Enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments if you think you like this recipe from Chef Ricardo. It's a new recipe, guys. You can make this, bring it to work. If you make the chicken cold, you can cut up a chicken, put it to cold, and make a wrap in the morning before you go to work. And this is the kind of recipe you guys need in the cool winter time like now. Enjoy the recipe. You can see right here I have the wrap. What we're gonna do, simple, get a piece of the chicken like this. Simple, cut off a few pieces. You guys can see what I'm doing. Chicken a little bit warm, but it's good sometimes you can cool it down, but you're gonna take a little time to cool down. So chicken looking lovely and nice. So right here in the middle of the chicken, in the middle of the wrap, sorry guys. But as you can see what I'm doing right here. And the chicken breast cooks so perfect, man. I love that chicken breast. Beautiful. Then as you can see right over here, which I'm talking about this wrap, guys, you're gonna love this. Right here is the chicken and the wrap. As you can see right there, I'm already just cut up a little bit of tomato and cucumber. First of all, you also can put a little bit of ketchup. If you like mayonnaise, you can use mayonnaise. If you like barbecue sauce, you can use barbecue sauce, whatever you like. Second thing, you can lay a little bit of cucumber. I call veg is really good for you. Just like this inside of it. When you slice your tomato, make sure they're really thin. Don't cut them too thick because you're gonna make the wrap, and you want your wrap to be perfect. So as you can see, now we're gonna use everything. Okay, nice. Put a little bit of lettuce on top of it, just like this. Make your lettuce leaf really dry. Look at it. That's beautiful, is it? Really nice. Nice. So you might have gonna say, oh, I'm gonna wrap this, but look at this now. Hold it down just like this. Get this side and make sure you fold it and fold it around like this. Get it around just like this, just like this, and just like this. And that's a wrap. Guys, if you think you're gonna like the recipe, if you want me to do another one, I can do it for you. Let's do another one. If you get the wrap, put it right there. Right there, get the chicken. This one gonna be very quick. Then slice the chicken just like this. If you notice what I'm doing, oh, I'm slicing my chicken, as you guys can see what is taking place. This is the Jamaican jerk chicken wrap. Lovely and nice. Then next, put the chicken right in the center. Say you don't want to have any salad or anything in this one. Let's use some ketchup. You can put mayonnaise if you don't like mayonnaise. That's the ketchup inside of the wrap. See, looking so beautiful. Now we're gonna wrap it to show you this way. Fold it two side. Not two side, let's fold it one side. Let's do this one just like this, as you guys can see what I'm talking about. Then wrap it around and wrap it around just like this. And that's another one. That's the Jamaican jerk chicken wrap. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming up just like this. As you can see, inside of the tomato, the cucumber, everything is inside of it. Hopefully you will love the recipe, and if you love it, leave your comments, guys. It's very important for Chef Ricardo to make such nice Jamaican jerk chicken wrap. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you very much for watching my cooking program. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Really nice, and that's how it look. So I know you guys will love the recipe. Thank you very much.